Hey guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial for a summer makeup look. It's going to be a colorful eye look with a dewy face, so stay tuned for that. So I've already put down a base for my eyes and I've done my eyebrows, so I'm going to go in with eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with my transition color first with a big blending brush, and it's going to be kind of an orange. I'm going to gently place a kind of purple periwinkle color on my inner crease, just on the top. Now I'm going to take kind of a purple plum color and I'm going to gently place that down on the outer crease and connect it to the color that I put down on the inner crease. Now I'm going to go in with a maroon color in my outer V and kind of smoke that out into the colors I already placed down. I'm going to be using kind of a pinky shade to smoke out the bottom lash line. So going in with that same kind of purple periwinkle color, I'm going to just tap that color right below the transitions colors that I put on the bottom. Now I'm going to go in with highlight. I'm going to be using a bronze color with a pink shift for the middle of my lid, and for the tear duct I'm going to be using kind of a goldy color. So now I'm gonna go in and give my lashes a curl, and then I'll go in with a gel liner. So I'm going to go in with a black gel liner, and I'm going to tightline my eyes, and I'm going to bring that eyeliner out just a little bit to create a small little wing. And now I'm going to apply a waterproof mascara. So I don't feel like putting on a full face of foundation, so I'm just going to go in with a concealer and spot conceal any blemishes around my face. And for blush, I'm going to be tapping on the Lime Crime Software Blush in Gigabyte BB. And for lip, I'm going in with the Peripera Ink Airy Velvet. And for the final step, I'm going to go in with a setting spray. So this is the finished look. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know down below what you think of my colorful summer look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!